don't mind them lumpy. Hey everybody, it's design time. Today I'm going to show you guys another use for placemats. Oh yes, they can do more than just sit on your table with plates on top of it. We are going to make pillows out of placemats. And I thought of this several years ago, and I had some luck with it and some not so luck with it. So just two of them. I thought these kind of went with the theme of my home, which is pretty plain, but kind of fun. Kind of like me. All right, so here we have the placemats. See right there is the tag. I bought them at Target, and that little yellow piece means that they were half off. So instead of $5 a piece, they were $2.50 each. Now, when you're purchasing placemats with this DIY in mind, we have to make sure that they are double-sided. There's fabric on both sides. You will usually find one very plain side and then one very exciting side. And you're gonna go where it's been sewn together and find where the stitching is and take a seam ripper, which I didn't have because my kid loses everything. So what I did is I used a needle, and I just put the needle underneath the loop of thread, pulled it up and cut it. And from there you get a hole that you can fit your hand in. And one thing that I wasn't sure of until I opened this up, sometimes the two pieces of fabric have been ironed together with some sort of iron-on thing in the middle of them, which makes it very difficult to tear apart and have it still look nice, but luckily these weren't. So I am just going to take some stuffing, lots of stuffing, and fill this bad boy up. Now this is just regular stuffing that you buy at Joann Fabrics. What I like to do is after Christmas time, it's pretty much the same stuff that they use to look like snow under a tree. Well, after Christmas time, those are 50 to 90% off, and that's a good time to buy that kind of thing. All right, and as we're stuffing, we are kind of wedging it in the corners. Make sure the whole thing is filled out. All right, that's about as thick as I want it. All right, so here we have the pillow, and all we have to do is sew up this little section that we opened. And you can easily do that with a sewing machine. I prefer to do it with just a needle and thread because it is so easy, and it is so hard to bring my sewing machine up here from the basement. Lazy. So here I have my beige thread and my needle that I cannot see the eye of because I'm old. All right, so here I am going to put just a single yet close together stitch. Here we have a pillow from a placemat. This right here cost under $3 if you count the placemat and the filling. I don't know what's easier than that, but I also don't know where you can find a less expensive pillow. So that's it, you guys, for this video on how to turn a placemat into a pillow. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time on Design Time. Bye.